If you're looking for a fast, clear way to centralize all employee information in one dashboard, this quick tutorial is going to save you a ton of time and headaches. I've tested the most popular platforms out there, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up a central employee hub that actually works. Plus, there's a free trial for my top recommended tool linked below, exclusive to viewers of this channel, so you can follow along as I show you how it's done. Let's get into it. First, when we talk about centralizing employee information, we're talking about having everything, from contact details, roles, documents, time of requests, performance notes, onboarding steps, all in one place. Not in random spreadsheets, email threads, or scattered apps. The tool I recommend, and the one I'll show you here, is the best. It combines HR, operations, and internal workflows into a single clean dashboard. Again, the free trial is in the description, so feel free to pause and grab that now. Step 1. Sign up for the tool and head straight to the dashboard. You'll usually find a section like Team or People. Start by importing your employee list. You can upload a CSV or connect directly to your existing directory, like Google Workspace or Microsoft 365 to sync everything automatically. Once your team is imported, assign each employee to a role or department. Most platforms let you tag people by team, job title, or even custom categories like remote versus in-office. This makes filtering and finding info later super fast. Next, you'll want to set up employee profiles. Think of these as dynamic cards that hold everything about a person. Add their personal details, start date, manager, and any custom fields you care about, like certifications, contract type, or key responsibilities. Now, here's where the dashboard becomes powerful. Attach important documents like contracts, NDAs, ID copies, right to each profile. You can even automate reminders for expiring documents or certifications so nothing falls through the cracks. Most modern dashboards also let you track PTO, sick days, and approvals. Set up your time off policy, then let employees request leave directly through the platform. Managers can approve in one click, and the system auto-updates calendars and balances. Want to make onboarding easy? Create a checklist template. Things like setting up email, assigning equipment, introducing the team, and apply it to new hires. You'll get notified as each task gets completed. Lastly, customize the dashboard view. Pin the info you access most often, like upcoming birthdays, time off schedules, or pending approvals. This way, your HR dashboard becomes your daily control center for all things employee related. The key takeaway here, centralizing employee information in one dashboard isn't just a time saver. It gives your business clarity, accountability, and organization at scale. No more chasing down documents or missing deadlines. Quick recap. You imported your team, created custom profiles, uploaded key documents, automated reminders, set up time off tracking, built onboarding flows, and personalized your dashboard. All done in just a few minutes. If you haven't yet, take advantage of the exclusive free trial I've linked below. It's only for Dan Thorne viewers, and it'll let you follow along with everything I just showed you step by step. That's it. Fast, clean, and centralized. See you in the next tutorial.